How to grow a gaming channel. We are living right now in a world in which there is so many gaming channels. There are so many Twitch streamers, and it's really hard to become successful on YouTube, right? It's really hard to grow a gaming channel when the market is so saturated. But the truth is different. I accomplished that. In 4 months, I acquired around 3,000 subscribers. I got my channel monetized in 4 months, and also I earn a living from gaming. And right now I'm going to give you the tips and tricks you can do to grow it also. So let's start. The first tip is to find a gaming niche. What I recommend is to go on steamcharts.com and you will see all the statistics of the game. Choose from the 15 to 20 games. Don't go and make videos about Apex, about Fortnite, about, I don't know, League of Legends, Dota 2, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. These games are really saturated and there is so many videos already. What you need to find, a completely new game which is just coming out, or just game which is not that popular but people are playing it. I don't know, Dead by Daylight, Fallout 4, Skyrim. Then what I recommend, you need to have passion for it. People are going to sense it from you that you don't enjoy it. And if you don't enjoy it, they're not going to subscribe. This is really important. You need to love the game. If you want to make videos about Fortnite or Apex Legends or I don't know, you need to become like top, I don't know, 50 in the world. You need to be really good at the game to make videos on that popular game. So this is the first tip, gaming niche. Let's move on. Now also, as I mentioned, competition is huge in Fortnite, League of Legends, etc. Just choose one game and go deep into it. This is very important, very important. Questions to ask yourself. This is what I was creating like half an hour. I mean, this slide. You need to ask yourself first, what value I can bring to the market? Why do you want to become a YouTuber? The third one, in what way you are different to competition, we will get to that. And why should people watch your content? This is important. The first one with the fourth is really connected, but write this down and answer them. Okay, what value? Why people should watch me? Am I different or am I the same as all the competitors? Now, we are going to the competitors. You need to analyze them. Write them in an Excel sheet. Okay, these are my competitors. How often they upload content? What kind of content they are making? Highlights, I don't know, tips and tricks for the game. Then what you need to do, analyze what you can do better. Let's say that there is a guy who is a YouTuber, or like 5 guys who are YouTubers, gaming YouTubers, making videos about the game. I can see that they're uploading 3 times per week. So I'm going to upload 5 times a week. I can see what they are doing wrong. I can improve that. Analyze their videos. What tips and tricks, what tips and editing tricks they are using to catch the viewer's eye. Watch their thumbnails, how they look like, why they do the thumbnails. Ask yourself that. Try to analyze them, really. And then also how they engage with their communities. Do they have Facebook groups with their communities? Do they answer under their videos the questions from the community? If no, you need to be there. You need to answer those questions. You need to get their communities for you. And another thing which I recommend to everyone, don't envy anyone. Just understand there is a world full of abundance. There are so many viewers, possible viewers to get. Like everyone can be successful if they are willing to invest time and they are willing to adapt and be better. What content to make? This is a good question. Let's say that right now you have already your channel. Now what you can do? Quests, how-to tutorial videos, highlights of games, reaction to new updates, reaction to changes in games, and your reaction to the top players in that game. And of course, don't just make gameplay. Like gameplay was popular in the 2012, 2013 when there wasn't that many Twitch channels, right? So now you need to focus on the highlights. Don't make like 2 hours how to play this game. Like you can do that if you get really big following. Like I don't know, 100,000 people are following you, then you can do a 1 hour gameplay because you know they're going to follow you, they are going to watch you. But you need to first get them. And you're not going to get them, these 100,000 followers, by just playing the game. So what I really recommend is if you would choose Witcher 3, amazing game. You can do all the quests. If there is going to be a new RPG coming out, you can do, okay, all the quests there are. How to beat this boss, what to do, how to... And people are going to watch it from 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. And you can earn money on that. So think about it and write also in an Excel sheet what kind of videos you can make. Oh, the 3 things, the glory-free things you need to focus on. Watch time, CTR, and if a person watches your video and he continues watching another of your videos, YouTube is going to recommend you. Like if you can fulfill these 3 things, and they are hard, but if you can do that, you are going to win on YouTube, period. If you can get bigger watch time than all of your competition, YouTube is going to recommend you. If they click on your thumbnail first, rather than clicking on your competition, you are going to win. And if a person watches 10 minutes of your video and then he goes for another video on your channel, you are going to win. Simple as that. This is what you need to focus on. This is where your focus needs to be. And this is how we're going to grow. I believe in that. Because this applies to me. Okay, just random facts. My watch time on my videos are 15-16 minutes, not on this channel, on my gaming channel. My CTR is about 10%. And I can see that person stays on YouTube because he jumps from video to video. You can see that all in a Creator Studio. Marketing. This is really cool. How you can market your gaming channel. Go to Facebook groups. Okay. I get this Fortnite. So for example, I would join here, 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 and here. Then I would comment there. I would try to find friends there. I would add them to my friend list even. And I would provide value. If someone would ask a question, I would answer it. I would be like, hey man, I made a tutorial right on your question. And you would link that. And other people will click on the link because you provided some kind of value to them and they would subscribe to you. So if you're gonna help people, people are going to follow you. That's how it works. So marketing. Reddit. This is really important. I would join the subreddit of the game. Then I wouldn't post your YouTube videos there. Upload just a short highlight of the video. The highlight, or I don't know, the how to beat something, the highest score. You need to become a member of the community. Right under every new post. Don't spam your videos. And again, connect with the community. And in the long term, you are going to win. I'm telling you right now. YouTube, you need to write under different competition channels. Don't do subscribe for subscribe. That's a really bad strategy and YouTube is not going to allow you monetization. Then try to grab viewers from different communities. When someone asks a question between a YouTube video, between your competitor's video, which is similar gaming niche, and you are going to answer that question faster than the YouTuber, it's big possibility that there is going to watch you. And even if someone like, okay, let's create a theoretical situation. A person writes a question under your competition video. You answer that, hey man, I made a video on this topic. You can find it on my channel. Okay, he's going to click and he's going to watch it. And like, goddamn, thank you. Bang, another subscriber. Easy as that. How simple was that? Then what you need to do, subscribe to all of your competition. When you got it in Excel sheets, just okay, subscribe. And then in the moment when the new video comes out, you need to write under it. Praise it, critique it, but just write under it, hey man, I enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed the time on 9:35. That was really awesome. Thanks. So that's how we do that. Now, another thing. Don't fall into over-analyzation stuff. There is this analysis paralysis in which people are not doing things because they are too much thinking about it. So you can't do that. What you need to do is to, okay, just speed is better than perfection. Upload, 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 upload. Like on this channel, I make 2 videos per day because I can do that. I'm a full-time YouTuber. I got another YouTube channels and I love doing these kind of videos. How to grow a business, how to grow a YouTube channel. So goddamn, if I can make 10 videos per week, I'm going to. And then what I don't recommend is to just make 1 video per week. If you can, if you want to make 1 video per week, it needs to be really quality. It needs to be that great. But what I recommend is to make videos every day, if you can. And of course, you need to be fast. If there is a new patch, if there is a new update, you need to make video on that. You see a link on a update forum that there is a new video, bang, you're in. You're just making video on it. Your reaction, like, okay, and thumbnail would be like you thinking, oh my god, new update, what is it? This is how we're gonna grab viewers. And another thing I recommend, go on Steam communities and write there also. Help people there. Attach your YouTube video to the questions they are asking. If you're gonna go solve problems for people, they are going to follow you hard. And yeah, patience is a virtue. Don't try to find shortcuts. Focus on a small baby steps, step by step, subscriber by subscriber, viewer by view. And it's damn important. Like, yes, I grew my channel in 4 months. But before that, I was trying to grow for 2 years because I was doing mistake by mistake. And right now I know how to grow a really successful channel. I know that. Right now I'm building this, and in 1 year this is going to be a really successful channel. Trust me. And yeah, that's kind of it. Just be patient. Understand that it can even take year and a half. Oh, I got another question. Are you willing to sacrifice your a lot of time to build a channel which can take, I don't know, 2 years to build up? After 2 years, it starts getting successful, and then you are going to make money from it. Are you willing to do that? That's the question, right? Of course, I made a video about how much money gaming channels make. You can see it right there in the upper corner. So if you want, you can go and watch it. I recommend that. Now, the last thing is to build a community for your YouTube channel. When they write that they like your video, put a heart on their comment, pin their comment, answer the questions, try to be there for them. So yep, it's really simple. I think you get that. And the last thing, support your YouTube channel with a Twitch channel in that game. But don't stream whole day. Stream only for 1-2 hours maximum, few times only per week. That's enough. You don't need to do more. Always mention in your YouTube videos that you have a Twitch stream. Okay, okay, I'm going to give you practical advice. Hey guys, so every day I'm streaming on Twitch from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Definitely come and watch me. It's going to be fun, and I'm going to play, I don't know, this game. I recommend you to give me follow so you will get notification when I'm live. And yeah, again, thank you very much everybody, and goodbye. This is how you sell your Twitch channel. You need to do that. And then why you should do that? This is the question. Because on Twitch channel you will earn much more money than on YouTube channel. Oh my god, my monitor is shaking. So on Twitch channel you will earn much more money than YouTube. Okay, get that. Thanks to Twitch Prime. So, and that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it a lot. And yeah. Thank you again. And if you have any questions, if you like this video, you can support me with subscribe, or you can give a like to this video and share it with your another gaming friends. Goodbye. Wow.